Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Visa gift card to Apple Wallet. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is locate and open up the wallet on your device. In your wallet, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the plus icon, and what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. Now what you need to do from here is select debit or credit card, and on the next screen just go ahead and press continue. What you're going to want to do now is hold your iPhone and your card to add it to the wallet. If your gift card does not have a chip on the card, what you can do is press at the bottom where it says enter card details manually. Then what you can do is just simply go ahead and enter the gift card number into here. Once that's done, come and click onto the next in the top right hand corner, and that's going to add the Visa gift cards to your Apple Wallet. So that's how to add Visa gift card to Apple Wallet. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.